Hello everyone. This is Oppo. I welcome you all in my new video of the 3ds Max tutorial series. So today we will discuss about the shapes. So the shapes, if you go from here, you can see the geometry and the shape. If you go to the shape, then you can find 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 shapes, which are this is the first one is the line. So if I go to the viewport and I draw the line, then you can have the line shape, this one. Then the rectangle, you can find the rectangle, and then the circle. Here is the circle, you can see, and this is the ellipse. Okay, and the arc is like this. Then the donut is like this, and the n-gon, here is the n-gon, and next is the star. Okay, and the text, so you can write anything from the parameters, you can write anything, helix, something like that, and the egg, I never use that, I don't know how to use that, this egg, and this is the section. So these are the 12 components of the shape parameters or shape section. You can see the shape is here. Okay, and these are very important because of for the primitives or standard geometry, you cannot create it's very difficult to create custom geometry with the standard primitives. Yes, standard primitives is a good starting point, but sometimes you get stuck with the standard primitives, that the standard geometry, that it's a good starting point, it's a starter. But when you require a custom geometry, it's very effective when you are doing let's say floor plan design, when you are working for a map design or something for the urban design, and especially for urban design, let's say complex shape design, you require something for the mechanical design, like a engine shape or something you are developing. So that is the moment you have to come up with the shape. Okay, so you notice that in shape, every shape has its own parameters, like the geometry. When I'm clicking the geometry, the parameters is changing. You can see here the parameters is changing. Okay, so some of the parameters you can see when I just click on the line, center, smooth, and when I click on here, you can see the length, width. Let's say I create a rectangle, and then the length, width, and all that thing, you see you can fix that with the parameter setting, the arc, and n-gon has these parameters, like this one, the how big it is, and what is the shape type, like this. Stars, on the other hand, this is the star, you can see. So a star, you can count on the, you can make like this, it's a kind of a flower or something. So yeah, and the helix and the text. Okay, so every shape, 12 shape, has its parameters you can create, and also some common parameters. It has some common parameters. Let's say let's say a rectangle. Okay, here I draw a rectangle, and this is basically a line. Okay, so you can change the color of the rectangle. Let's say the blue, or let's say the red. Okay, and then you gonna expand this, render, enable in viewport. So see what happens when I click on enable on viewport. It has gained some mass. Okay, some thickness. You see, I'm increasing the thickness, so the rectangle is getting some kind of thickness. Okay, and you can see here is the sides. So right now the default is 12 sides. You just increase, the size is increasing, you decrease, the size is decreasing. Okay, so this is what is happening. Okay, and this is renderable things, and these are only the lines. Okay, and the same thing is applicable with the circle, like this. Okay, like this, the ellipse, like this. Okay, right now all of the thing has its own, length, width and height, because of, you see, because of I'm enabling this, enable in render, enable in viewport. You see, you see, you see the difference. Okay, so imagine this is a kind of a center line, and the mass is growing on around it, something like that. So it's very interesting and very nice to see. This is a star. Okay, something like that. You see how complex shape is created with the star. So I am going to finish this tutorial here. So this is a basic introduction of the shapes, all the shapes. So later I will be going in much detail and deeper for this one. So I hope you are enjoying it, and please support me, and please stay with me, and please subscribe my channel, and if you need any help, you just contact with me. I can if I can hear from you, it will be very good news for me, and I'm always happy to help you. Thank you.